Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. What we are doing today is another ColourPop palette because I've had a lot to go through and there's still a lot to go through, and there's still a couple that are summary that I want to get done and out of the way, and this one is when I'm actually going to declutter. Or up and out. Can't see it. There we go. Not a fan. I don't know why I bought it, especially considering Mint to Be is right here. Well, right here. The top part, except for the white, is shimmers. At least this one has 4 shimmers. And these are mattes. So I've done the mint colors, so I'm not going to do them again. So that means I need to do these yellow green citron color. I can't think of the name of them. And I have not done my blush yet because I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do. I don't know. So this time I'm actually going to take my Delium Pools Golden Triangle in 765 tapered blending brush. I'm going to start with this one, which happens to be Solar Heat. I don't know how I was able to read that, but that's the way it is. And it's not only got 4 shimmers, it's got 1 glitter, and it's got 1 matte with some shimmer in it, which is this one. There we go. I don't know if I'm going to use it, but right now I'm going to start with Solar Heat. And I forgot to mention, I put on my thrift shop first because I wanted to just essentially get rid of all the purple, red, blue, whatever I have on my eyelids. That was my main purpose. So it was put on pretty lately. And Solar Heat is not doing anything. It really isn't. I actually don't think I've ever used this palette because it did not even look swatched. That's pretty sad. But that's okay. I know somebody who will love it. Okay, so Solar Heat is pretty much doing zippity doo dah. So I'm going to do Fresh Cut. It's very powdery. When I was doing my swatches, powder was flying everywhere. I don't think this is a color that looks very good on me either. And I was thinking of going out to the drugstore. That might have to wait till tomorrow. At this rate, when I get to my entire inventory, I'm gonna have to recount everything. And I think my ColourPop cart has 4 palettes in it. Not that I'll be able to get them anytime soon, but yeah. And let's not even go into the number of Super Shocks. I am not going to put an outer. I mean, don't get me wrong, this is a pretty cool color. And this is, that's what I thought it said, Healing Heart. This color is pretty cool. It looks really cool. Let's see. Which is this one right here. But as much as I want to delve into color, it doesn't even have a lighter one to put on the inner corner. It's not a very, to me, it's not a cohesive palette. And as I said, I don't want to use the mint because I already have in the Mint to Be. And I want this to be separate. Chartreuse. That's what I was trying to figure out. Chartreuse. There we go. I knew it would come to me eventually. Let's see if I can do something with this brown. Okay, so I've got some eyeliner on. I think I did okay. I'm going to put Young Love, which is this one, the white one, which is that one, on my brow bone. Yeah, I know, I'm not putting a shimmer on my brow bone. Who am I? That's not bad. At least I don't think so. I hope you guys like it. Okay, so that can go away. That can go away. Now before I go, don't get me wrong. If you don't have the Mint to Be, this is a great palette to get. But if you have Mint to Be, it's not worth it. If you like bright colors, definitely. Because we know ColourPop is amazing. Now, I've got two different blushes. I've got All Laced Up and ColourPop. All laced up it is. All laced up it is. Let's see. And my bronzer is my Estee Lauder because I haven't used it in a while. This is a beautiful color. I like this. All laced up. Gonna leave it at that. I also brought two highlighters. The first one, I don't think I'm gonna use it because it's my Fenty and it's the Mint Mojito and Sandcastle. For some reason I thought, I don't even remember what I thought. So I'm going to use my Flexitarian. Did you guys have any doubt? No doubts, no doubts. Never any doubts about shimmers. All right, so that is that. Now, shall return back. Now, because this is a beautiful, fresh, summery look, which means I'm going to the beach. I'm gonna sit there under a big beach umbrella and watching the world go by. I am essentially beautifully fresh face, 30 years younger. And going to use This is Milky from NYX in Cherry. Cherry. It's a bigger name? Yep, Cherry Milkshake. I find it more orange than cherry, but that's just me. There we go. I do like opacity in my glosses. Yes, I do tend to put a little bit more than I should because of that, but my lips kind of need the extra moisture, so I'm okay with it. I'm okay. You know what? This is no. I gotta declutter it. I gotta declutter. I'm for once a year use. No, I gotta declutter it. But this chartreuse is, now I understand why Lauren May has that in her palette with Odin's Eye. I understand it now. I get it. I get it. It's a color that grips you. It really really does grip you. And now it's not going to conform. There we go. So these two colors, I don't care about the matte. It's all about the shimmer of the chartreuse. It really, I don't know, there's something about it that's just got me and does not want to let go. So if I ever do put an order with ColourPop, I might just get the single. And that way I can say I've got it and I can use it just as a one and done, or a light but darker transition. Or even an inner corner. Yeah, this color grips you. I get it. Let's go to the beach and make some sandcastles. We've got a couple of beaches here. Gotta check to see if they're open. Sometimes they close. But we've got beaches. So let's go have some fun with a big picnic. Thank you everybody once again for coming to visit with me. Please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. À bientôt.